Sa Biyernes na ang simula ng panibagong season ng Spikers Turf at may bagong kuponan na aabangan. Para bigyan ng mukhang balita, Mobile Journal, Denise Valdez Sancho.
New conference, new team. Talagang handa na raw ang Alpha Insurance Protectors sa kanilang debut game para sa Spikers Turf Open Conference this coming Friday. Puspusan na ang kanilang trainings. Pero sa totoo lang, last year pa pala nila binubuo ang roster ng team.
We watch the games, and then one day May asked, why don't we put up a team?
Unang-una syempre sa hinanap ang head coach, and Coach Mike Santos from the PLDT High Speed Hitters took the challenge. Team captain naman si Edward Camposano from the Navigators Iloilo. Nandyan din sina Francis Casas, Billy Anima, Neil Manato at JJ Havilona. Aminado silang eyes on the championship sila. Pero
We do not put pressure at this point in time. We will be happy seeing them giving a good fight.
sunod-sunod na rin ang tune-up games ng Protectors. Sumali sila sa isang local tournament at nag-team building nitong nakaraang linggo. Bukod sa Alpha Insurance, sasabak din sa Open Conference ang TGJC Navy, Savoj Spin Doctors, VNS Lady Crete, Signal HD Spikers at Crisscross King Crunchers. Tip-off starts this February 21, Friday, at unang makakalaban ng Protectors ang powerhouse Signal HD Spikers.
We are very thankful kasi nga parang as I mentioned, ang gusto natin is mapaano din tong mga men's volleyball, and ito yung magandang ginagawa ng Spikers Turf. So I'm excited to see yung men's volleyball na mag-soar high in the future.
Mobile Journal, Denise Valdez Sancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.